on the birth anniversary of A.P.J. Abdul Kalam for having an elocution competition on the topic empowering students as agents of innovation and change.
Special occasion of Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary on 15th of October, and I'm here to share my views on empowering students as agents of innovation and change. So innovation is just a fancy word that we use when we create something new, and change is something when we bring something new differently. And for example, if we take our phones, from our phones to the lights in this room are invented by someone, right? So many of us are thinking right now as what can we do? And the answer is a lot. So if we observe our surroundings and if we observe news, we can get many answers, right? So innovation isn't always easy. So when you might try something new or you might fail. That's okay, because failure is the stepping stone for success, right? So we have to work together to change the world, and I challenge you to embrace your role as agents of innovation and change. And A.P.J. Abdul Kalam sir has already said us that education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world.
In this is a small thing, but this world sound like it's a big thing, because person, he's just a student who is just a junior scientist who is even learning the things that four walls has turned into the four pillars of his career, and he stood as the example of the best innovator, and later we all know that he took oath as the President of India.
Today, we live in a world which was not created by the strongest people, but by the people who are most innovative. The air conditioners which gives us comfort, the lights we switch on, or the phones we hold and pictures we click are the results of the people who are enough courage to face criticism and difficulties in their process. Innovation is a state of mind. Innovation neither need fancy labs nor lack of seeding money. It just needs curiosity, spark, and circumstances we face. Let us take a handful of examples. Going to the West, let us consider Mark Zuckerberg, the inventor of Facebook. Created Facebook. We all aware of the influence of social media on the national elections to the products we buy. Students from the University of Stanford, they faced difficulty when they were researching on the project. They not had an easy accessible information. Their circumstances and they question why not we can have easy accessible information created Google. Google changed the world how it learned. Today we are here on the memorial of A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Today we are not grieving for his death. We are celebrating his glory, his idea. A person may die, but not his ideas. I promise myself today, I'll work on that idea which stays on my notebook from days. I'll work on the idea on my mind which was now sparked. Thank you.
All the speakers have done a good job here. But there are a few who are really great, and the margin is also very, very less here. When we were talking, the margin is very less, but the participation is also very less. But still, it's your day. Moving on ahead, I would like to call upon Deepika to come here that she received her consolation. I'll give my own personal feedback when it comes to the real picture. I would like to call upon Samuel Praharsh, third position, and Sharon Priscilla, the second place winner. Any audience rating you want to give for the first prize winner? I would like to welcome Nihal onto the stage for securing first prize on the Elocution competition. I would like to appreciate you for the quick participation.
These golden words by Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam remind us true dreams demand action, courage and innovation. A very good morning to everyone those who present here. I am K. Deepika and it's my honor to be your host and welcome you all to this auspicious occasion on the account of World Students' Day, birth anniversary of Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India.
Scientist of India, but also the greatest dreamer of the world. From being the victim of World War II to receiving the highest Indian civilian award, Bharat Ratna, for his excellence in preserving peace between civilians. From being had a dream of to fly to invent the first ever corrosive engine to ISRO in India. His life taught us, no dream is too big, no beginning is too small. I like to share a few lines from his book, The Wings of Fire, which I liked really well. We all born with a fire in us. We just need to keep efforts to give wings for that fire, which leads to enlighten this world with the light of divinity and innovation.
And Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam has led the India's first indigenous satellite vehicle launch as Selva-3, which placed the Rohini satellite in orbit in 1980. And he also played a crucial role in making India as a nuclear power. And he also served as President of India from 2002 to 2007. And after serving as President of India, he continued to be a teacher, an author, and also a global peacemaker.
Students that can create wonders in this world. He said that dream big, never ever give up, and the small aim is a crime. He said that the small aim, we will fix some boundaries that I'm capable of this. But he said, go beyond the boundaries and achieve big. And he also said that the best minds comes from the backbenches. He also never ever underestimated any student in the classroom. He also believed that everyone had a special talent and could do anything to this nation.
Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam is the story filled with true inspiration, confidence, passion and purpose. Now I request Dr. D. Kishore sir, Dean Student Affairs of Aditya University, to share his message with us.
Respected Ashok sir and other faculty members and my dear students, very good morning. Yeah, actually it's your day. Today is the World Students' Day, right? On the birthday anniversary of A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. We know that, and already your friends shared the information about him, what are the achievements he had done, right, in his lifetime. Right? Yeah, but I think those who are sitting in our auditorium, definitely you have some small goal, right? Not big, at least some small goal. Because nowadays, without goal, if we can do anything, right? Yeah, our life will not survive, no doubt at all, right? That's why you need to fix your goal, and you have to commit it to achieve your goal. For that, you need to do the hard work. On this auspicious day, you need to fix your goal. You have to work on it, and definitely you will achieve it. Wish you all the best, my dear students. Wish you good luck.
Knowledge Resource Center, Aditya University, has conducted the Elocution competition where the minds of the people and the students raised many of the true stories, and it also gave the good experiences to the students who have participated. Now I request Dr. D. Kishore sir and K. Ashok sir to please come on to the stage. conclude, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. D. Kishore Sir, Dean Student of Arts, Aditya University, K. Ashok Sir, Chief Librarian, and the Knowledge Resource Center for conducting this meaningful event. And I thank all the winners and participants along with the students for making this event successful. This is K. Deepika signing off, wishing you all a very happy World Students Day 2025.